Brad, here's your, I believe it said a 63 Buick. It came in today. Let's crank her up and we'll see what it's doing. You didn't tell me it's got a frozen stud in there, but we'll take care of that. What's supposed to be wrong with this carburetor, Mr. Brad? That there is almost perfect. Somebody had these screws almost shut off. I think you better check something else on your car, Mr. Brad. There's nothing wrong with this carburetor. I mean, running a little rich right there, but no reason why this carburetor would not start up and propel a car. I'll let you look at the video and see what you want to do about it.